right, what's up guys? MKBHD here. So remember when I asked you a couple weeks ago to vote for Creator of the Decade by the Shorty Awards? Well, that did happen. So it was awesome enough to be a finalist in a ridiculous category like that. But of course, since I'm in the same category as Casey Neistat, Liza Koshy, Jenna Marbles, Superwoman, and Rhett and Link, I obviously did not expect to win. But then this happened.
And the Creator of the Decade award goes to MKBHD.
Wow. So I'm gonna cut that off because I didn't have much of an acceptance speech. I didn't expect, obviously, to be standing up there, but I figured I could use this as a sort of a window to, now that I've actually had a second to think about it, what I would have said. So I don't know if you remember last year at the Shorty Awards again, I was a nominee and a finalist for the YouTuber of the Year category for 2017. And that was really exciting. I always considered myself a YouTuber. It was an awesome year, but the word creator, there's so many different creators on so many different platforms and so many different formats. And of course, a decade, a massive amount of time for the last 10 years of videos. So there are obviously so many other different creators that could have been honored here that probably should be because they've been making videos for longer than the 10 years that I have. So this is not something I take for granted at all. I'm super humbled to even be considered for it. But this is really special. So flashback to Saturday night, the night before the Shorties actually, I was actually at a different event, a different gala. I was honored by my school, Stevens Tech, with an Alumni Achievement Award alongside a bunch of other awesome engineers and business people, and even the Cio of Spacex went to my school. He was honored there as well, so that was really exciting. And when they talked about what I do for my award, they kind of called it new media, which actually really stuck with me. I think it has a couple different names. You could call it social media or new media, but it all kind of ties in with this slow rise versus, you know, old media, which you might call traditional media. But in my last 10 years on this platform, I can speak to what I've seen in the tech YouTube community, because that's what I'm most a part of, which has been its formation a long time ago, to it developing its own voice, developing its own style, both in voices and actual production, and then creating its own immense value. Tech YouTubers went from like an afterthought to their own fun little niche community to, you know, some websites deciding maybe they should make a YouTube channel, all the way up to becoming a staple in what you might call new media. And so there's tech YouTubers covering Google, Samsung, and Apple events, covering CES, covering trade shows, being a huge part of this new wave of new media, doing big time interviews and collabs, and it's all just getting started. So for me, this all started as a kid in a bedroom talking to a camera about tech, because it's fun as hell, and I love tech. But to watch the evolution of not only just the videos we make, but the community and everything we do here over the last 10 years to become what it is today is not only really humbling and inspiring, but super exciting for the next 10 years. So to all the creators, thank you for doing what you do. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't let anyone tell you to stop. Thank you for watching the videos I make. And here's to the next 10 years. Thanks for watching. Peace.